Hello, I'm Steve McCutton. I'm a product specialist at Aprilaire, and today we're going to talk about the Model 1610 Easy Install Air Cleaner. This air cleaner is designed with some features to specifically make it easy to install in a retrofit application. Certainly it can be used in new construction, but let's talk about those features. First off, on the top of the air cleaner, around the perimeter of the opening, where the return drop would attach, you see that there's tabs all the way around. The purpose of these tabs is to allow you to bend up the appropriate tabs to create the size of the opening that you need, as well as the location of the opening. So this air cleaner will accommodate a duct opening of 8 by 20 up to 10 by 24. By bending up all the tabs and removing this bracket, you'll have an opening of 10 by 24. If you had an opening that was, say, 10 by 20, you could move this bracket to the appropriate side and bend up the other tabs to give you that opening size. For a narrower opening, let's say 8 by 20, you would bend up the appropriate tabs on this side or the other to give you that opening width, and then bend up the appropriate tabs on this side or this side to locate that return drop. On the outlet side of the air cleaner, this is where it would attach to the furnace, we have 4 tabs, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. You can bend these down, and it allows you to then hook the air cleaner onto the furnace opening, keeping it in place close to the opening to make it easier for you to attach it with sheet metal screws. Obviously, the air cleaner can go on the furnace on this side or on this side, but we've also got a door and a blanking plate. The blanking plate is held on with just 3 screws, so it's very easy to take off the blanking plate, take off the door, switch the two to give you access to the media on whatever side you need to do your service. So here's a mocked up furnace with a left-hand return drop. You can see the duct coming down, going into a right angle transition, and we have a 1-inch filter slot built into the top. We'll disconnect both the return drop and the 1-inch filter slot from the furnace. Move this away. And bring in our Model 1610 Easy Install Air Cleaner. Using the tabs on the outlet side of the air cleaner, I'm going to bend those down and hook it onto the furnace to keep it stable while I do the rest of the work. And you can bend these down by hand or with a 3-inch handbrake, whatever's easier. Some furnace openings will accommodate the top clips as well. Some may not, but you can always use the bottom ones. Now I'm going to make the adjustments to the top to cause the opening in the air cleaner to match up with my return drop. All right, I've moved the L bracket over to this side. Now I'm going to reattach it. So this has now created the back side that my return drop is going to slide onto. Because this is an 8 by 24, I'm now going to bend up all the tabs to create that size opening. Now we're going to take our return drop and place it over top. So now we've reattached the return drop onto the tabs we bent up. So the tabs have created a place for us to send our sheet metal screws in. And we want to seal this. You could use caulk, you could use foam tape. At this point you can put your sheet metal screws in and then cover it with aluminum tape. That would be fine. And then of course we'll want to do the same thing where we attach it to the furnace. Whether you choose to use a bead of caulk or foam tape, or attach it and then cover the perimeter in foil tape, any of those things will work fine. Then it's just a matter of putting in your media and putting your door on and you're done. One of the key features to making this Model 1610 air cleaner easy to install is the ability to adjust these tabs on the top to accommodate different return drop sizes. Here you see the Model 1610 with the tabs bent up to accommodate an 8-inch by 24-inch return drop. You'll also see that the angle bracket is on the left-hand side, on the side of the air cleaner away from the furnace. This allows you to accommodate a return drop that is slightly closer to the furnace. Here it is configured for an 8 by 24-inch duct, and you can see the angle bracket is located close to the furnace. This accommodates a return drop that is slightly farther away from the furnace. Here it is configured for a 10-inch by 24-inch return drop. You can see all the tabs are bent up and the angle bracket is removed. All of our air cleaners use the expanded media with the self-seal ends to give you a very tight fit, minimize leakage and bypass. The Model 1610 Easy Install Air Cleaner uses the number 410 or 413 media. The 410 is what comes with it, but you can also upgrade it to the 413 MERV 13 media. And it attaches in the same way as our other air cleaners do. It's just a matter of getting the plastic rails and the metal guides to match up. And put the door on. And if you're not familiar with our media, the self-seal media is patented and it does not accommodate a cake box filter. Our media is only available through the HVAC channel, so that creates an annuity where the consumer comes back to you for their media year after year. So there you have it. Installing a high-efficiency air cleaner is no longer a day-long scenario. The Model 1610 Easy Install Air Cleaner consists of a fully assembled transition which eliminates the need for field forming a transition or turning vanes. It's easily adjustable for right or left side installs, and the unit is equipped with a series of tabs around the perimeter of the opening which can be easily adjusted to accommodate various duct sizes from 8 inches by 20 inches up to 10 inches by 24 inches. An installer or technician only needs simple sheet metal tools, and in many cases the entire job can be accomplished in about an hour. For technical information such as installation manuals or spec sheets, you can visit our website for contractors, aprilairepartners.com, or during normal business hours you can contact our customer service or tech support departments by calling 1-800-334-6011.